Welcome to Planet Crypto Today, your channel for news related to the world of cryptocurrencies. Ethereum deflation reaches all-time high ahead of SHAPELLA update. Stablecoins and blockchain technology are the future. SEC seeks more resources to regulate cryptocurrencies. Sam Bankman-Fried pleads not guilty. Interest in cryptocurrencies in Singapore remains strong.
If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it.
Ethereum deflation reaches all-time high ahead of SHAPELLA update. The supply of Ethereum is decreasing as the amount of burnt ETH increases, leading to a record deflation. The burn was introduced with EIP 1559 to optimize gas usage in September 2021. Since then, the Ethereum supply has decreased by 72,186 ETH, with a value of around $130 million. The current burn rate is around 123 ETH per hour, and Uniswap is the biggest gas consumer at the moment. The SHAPELLA update will be implemented on April 12th, which will combine changes in the Ethereum virtual machine EVM called Shanghai and the CAPELLA consensus layer. Despite concerns about a possible influx of ETH into the markets, this is unlikely to happen due to the phased rollout process. Stablecoins and blockchain technology are the future. Regulated stablecoins and blockchain technology will be widely used in 2030, according to industry executives. During the World of Web3 WOW Summit in Hong Kong, a panel of digital regulatory space professionals discussed how regulated stablecoins will continue to be used in 2030. Despite policymakers debating the future use of these assets, lawmaker Alexandra Sasha believes that regulated stablecoins will strengthen, and there will be competition between centralized and decentralized approaches during this decade. Commissioner Kelvin Lesterly is not sure whether regulated digital assets will thrive by then, but Douglas Arner, a professor at the University of Hong Kong, believes that regulated stablecoins will emerge as the most used monetary instrument in blockchain applications. SEC seeks more resources to regulate cryptocurrencies. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC), led by Gary Gensler, has requested more resources to hire personnel and accelerate the regulation of cryptocurrencies. Gensler asked the House Subcommittee on Financial Services and General Government Appropriations for funds to fulfill the SEC's mission, as constant technological innovation requires new tools, more personnel, and investment in updates. Gensler wants to expand the SEC's division of examinations to reinforce the guarantee of companies' compliance with regulations and address risks related to the crypto ecosystem, cybersecurity, and market infrastructure. The SEC also filed a lawsuit against the BXC exchange. The SEC president will appear before the House Digital Assets Subcommittee on April 18, 2023. Sam Bankman-Fried pleads not guilty. XFTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried has pleaded not guilty to bribery and campaign finance violations as a U.S. bankruptcy court orders Three Arrows Capital founder Kyle Davis to respond to a subpoena within 2 weeks. Bankman-Fried's lawyer, Mark Cohen, pleaded not guilty to bribery and campaign financing charges on behalf of the former FTX head at a hearing before Judge Lewis Kaplan. Prosecutors filed a replacement indictment against Bankman-Fried in February 2023, adding 4 counts to the 8 brought in December 2022. As a result, Sam Bankman-Fried is now pleading not guilty to 13 criminal charges, blaming the collapse of the exchange he led on poor risk management. A $250 million bond ensures he awaits his trial on the 2nd of October 2023 at his parents' home in Palo Alto. Interest in cryptocurrencies in Singapore remains strong. Interest in cryptocurrencies in Singapore remains strong, according to a recent survey, despite the decline in overall confidence. Approximately 46% of investors spend up to $1,000 per month on cryptocurrencies, and 44% have at least 10% of their portfolio in cryptocurrencies. In addition, 91% of respondents knew at least one cryptocurrency. Although Singapore topped the list of cities that laid off employees from cryptocurrency companies between February 2022 and February 2023, investors continue to actively invest in cryptocurrencies, with 47% investing in the last 1 or 2 years. According to the IRCI report, 40% of Singapore investors are expected to invest in cryptocurrencies over the next 12 months, and 48% intend to increase their existing holdings.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your family, friends, or enemies on your social networks.
Don't feel fucking at me.